Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to upload a video to your Rumble account using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Rumble. We also need to have a video available to upload to the Rumble account. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now let's go to rumble.com. We can use a shortcut on the bookmarks toolbar that will directly take us to rumble.com. And make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to Computer Science Videos, my channels. And so we will be uploading to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Let's go to the right top corner again where we see the upload button, upload or live stream. For this tutorial, we will be uploading a video. Before we upload, let's now open up a new tab as we will be extracting information from my YouTube channel as we will look to migrate all the content from there to this platform. So, YouTube Studio. Go to content, go to the first video that was uploaded to the channel, how to use a Mac computer for beginners, the basic tutorial, a step-by-step guide. Let's go back to the Rumble tab. So select video to upload. We have that video available on the desktop. Click upload, and now we will choose a title, which we have, and we will extract. So highlight, copy, paste. Let's get the description. Command A to highlight everything. Copy, and now paste. That's the video description. Let's choose a thumbnail for ourselves. Let's go on cancel for one moment. Let's go back to our YouTube channel, and now let's go to options and save that thumbnail that was uploaded to this video. Save as. Change the name to image, and this will save to the desktop. Go back to Rumble, choose your own, and there we have it on the desktop. Now what we will do is choose a couple of tags, Computer Science Videos, comma, how to use a Mac, comma, Apple, and now let's upload to Computer Science Videos. This will be a public video. We will click on upload. For the moment, let's just let that upload and load. Once it has gone to 100, we will click on the upload button. So now it's all a waiting game, really, depending on the length of the video, the size, the quality. If it's 4K or 8K, will take some time to upload. We will fast forward this upload. And so the video is now at 100%, which equates to it being uploaded to Rumble. Let's just re-edit a tag. Now let's scroll to the bottom, public, upload. And now we have the chance to license the video. So your licensing options, we can either have it video management, which excludes YouTube, Rumble only, non-exclusive, similar to YouTube. If we click on the I, you will receive all the net earnings collecting in relation to publication of your content on the Rumble player, less an agency fee equal to 40%. If you select this option, you shall be entitled to remove content from the Rumble player at any time and maintain rights. That's okay, or we can have personal use. For this tutorial, I will keep it to Rumble only. So we have some additional video information. Who recorded this video? It was myself. When and where? Myself at my house. Provide either your YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat username. I'll just say ComputerScienceVideos. Additional syndication options. You have not signed an exclusive agreement with any other parties. That's correct. I've already read the terms of services before this video, so let's now click on submit. This form is now being submitted to Rumble. And there we go. That's all uploaded. Everything is being complete. Here we have the direct link, the embed code, monetize embed code if we wish to use this for our website. We can now go to my channels, click on that, and there we have a video on our Rumble channel. So let's now go back to my content, and there we have the video available, uploaded to the Rumble platform. It says ready to share, monetization is pending. That's okay. We will come back at a later time to look at what's really happening with this video. So now what we will need to do is upload all the videos to the Rumble platform and take it from there, and then I will create some other videos in regards to how one can be paid into their PayPal or bank account, and many other features that we see on the side, whether it's a transaction, payment, referral, and create specific content on these videos. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.